Today I am going to tell you that about the types of matrices. Matrices is an arrangement. It is not a number. Okay. First I told you that. Now this is first number is the row matrix. Row matrix means it will have one row and one row and so many columns. This is row. That is, if matrix A I write no comma will be there, 1, 5, 7, 6, 9. How many rows are there? Only one row. Column though you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Row matrix has got only one row. The column matrix, one row. So, and column matrix has got one column. One column, this is the vertical one. One column, that is A, B, C, D. That is how many are there? There are how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. But column is only one. Column is only one. That is why it is called column matrix. Okay. Then square matrix. Square, the name itself defines. Square means the length and breadth are equal. We have studied. Okay. That is square matrix means number of rows and number of columns are equal. Say this is C, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is 3 into 3, I. This is 3 into 3, that is 3 rows, 3 columns. The number of columns, 3 into 3. Okay. And then again, I can have D also. This is another matrix. Only 2 elements. These are called, each are called elements. So that is 65, 96, 87, 45. That is 2 rows, 2 columns. That is 2 into 2. 2. That means here that is D has got, that is D can be written as in this form Ij. This is called Dij. It can be written as, that is D is equal to M into N. They are called M into N. 2 into 2. Okay. And this is 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, so on. The number of columns and number of rows, they are equal to each other. Now diagonal of the matrix is called, that is diagonal of the matrix is that it is X. Diagonal has all diagonal elements. Diagonal elements means all non-zero, that is root 3, 2 root 2, root 5, non-zero, and this is, and the rest of the other elements are 0, 0. This is called diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix will be a square matrix. Diagonal matrix will be a square matrix whose diagonal elements, this is the diagonal element, that is root 3, 2, root 2, root 5. They are non-zeros, and rest of the elements are 0. Scalar matrix means it is a square matrix. Scalar matrix is a square matrix. Scalar matrix is a square matrix whose diagonal elements are all equal. Scalar matrix is that is root 3 and 0, 0, 0 root 3, 0, 0, 0, root 3. They are scalar matrix. They are called scalar matrix. Okay. Now, identity matrix says that that all diagonal elements are 1. Here, number of, this is 3 into 3, number of rows and number of columns are equal because they are square. It is a square. So, here again, this is a identity matrix. I am giving all capital alphabets different names so that I don't repeat. You can repeat also, no problem. That is 1, 0, 0. Diagonal elements are only 1. Identity matrix can be of order 3, order 2, all elements like that. That is or P, capital P is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. So we have done row matrix, column matrix, it is a column, and square matrix. All are square matrix means number of rows and number of columns are equal. Then diagonal matrix is a square matrix whose diagonal elements are non-zero and rest of the elements are 0. Then comes y. Y is equal to scalar matrix, then diagonal elements are all equal. Here all equal, root 3, root 3, root 3. So, and rest of the elements are 0, 0, 0. The identity matrix is that is only the diagonal elements are 1, 1, 1 and rest of the thing are 0, 0, 0. Rest of the elements are 0, 0, 0. Next is zero matrix. Zero matrix is a matrix whose elements are all 0. It can be of order, any order. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All elements are 0. This is 2 rows, 3 columns. And this is again 0, 0. That is 2 rows into 1 column. So on, okay, so on. Equality matrix means when 2 matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. When 2 matrices are equal, suppose here A is a matrix, suppose here A is a matrix, then A, B, C, D, and B is the another matrix, that is 1, 2, 2, 3. So it is not 2. Let it be 4. Okay. Now A is the matrix A, B, C, D. And A, B, C, D, that is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, and 2 into 2 here. They are equal when A is equal to B. When 2 matrices are equal, A is equal to B, then A or corresponding elements are equal. A is equal to 1. B is equal to 2, corresponding elements, C is equal to 4 and D is equal to 3. It can be 2 elements again. This is the again P is a matrix that is 1, 9, 4, that is 1, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is the order order of 2 into 3. And Q is the another matrix. It is the order of I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L, M, N. That means two matrices are of equal order. That is 2 into 3. Equal order. Here order of P is equal to order of Q. Then we can compare. When two matrices are of the same order, then we can compare. So therefore, P is equal now P is equal to Q, not therefore. Now P is equal to Q means the order of this 1 4 6 1 4 6 9 5 7 and or is equal to, then I can write if P is equal to Q. Now if this is I, J, K, L, M, N, that is therefore I is equal to how much? 1. J is equal to 4. J, I, J, K. K is equal to 6. Then L is equal to 9. M is equal to 5. And N is equal to 7. Okay. So when two matrices are equal, they should be of the same order and each corresponding elements are equal. So I can write any order that is 1, 2, 2, 1 is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. Equal to this. They are equal.